The pilot sits in a 30-degree reclined seat to reduce G-force effects during high-speed turns. The cockpit uses a side-stick controller, unique at the time and still rare today. The F-16 can pull up to 9 gs, making it one of the most maneuverable jets in the world. It's powered by either a Pratt & Whitney F100 or a General Electric F110 engine, depending on the block. The engine provides over 28,000 pounds of thrust, giving the F-16 a top speed of Mach 2. The aircraft is designed with a blended wing body, contributing to its low drag and high lift.